Back in the spotlight this evening, the road work underway along Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew. Business owners continue to share their plight as workmen dig trenches, blocking access to buildings. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
Work in progress along Constant Spring Road. A parked excavator and piles of dirt waiting to be leveled. The longer it sits here, we were told, the more problems it causes for these businesses.
I have work from Saturday, and I've been here. We cannot access the premises, neither in or out. I have to be renting vehicles to use to do my work.
Did you say anything to anyone on the ground before today?
Well, the operator told me that it is not his choice of what to do, so I have to speak to somebody higher, which I went to the gentleman on the other side, which is, I think, the M&M trucking people, and they told me that there's nothing they can do right now because they have dug some very deep holes over there.
So what you're seeing behind me now started a few minutes ago after a representative from the National Works Agency instructed the workmen to rectify the issue.
They're going to give us access today, so we will have to go through my next door neighbor's property to get out.
But for the operator of Steelcraft Limited, water disruption is his main concern. He explained that on Thursday, one of the excavators broke the pipeline near his establishment. He has been without water since then.
We've had to just last week order a truckload of water just to, compensate for this loss.
It was shortly after a news team arrived in the area that a representative from the National Water Commission showed up to reconnect the pipes.
And then only to hear also that even if it is connected, there's still no water in the line, so still a catch-22.
But it is after the roadwork is completed that Mr. Brown is most concerned about. With medians erected along the busy thoroughfare, it will be impossible for large trucks with containers to offload goods to these businesses.
I did go to the town hall meeting down at Merle Grove last year, and the questions was raised by myself and a number of other business operators.
But he says the operators were simply told
that we should try and consolidate our shipments inbound and outbound to facilitate this by breaking it into smaller trucks. The question would have been who is going to pay for the additional security, the additional trucking, all of that, which they had no answers to.
With no contingency plan, the operators are just hoping that good sense prevails. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.